Hey, what's happening, Steve Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know you want to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So on this video, we got the updates and recap, starting off with the updates. So if you don't know, we did have on September 20th, the near Force came out, and I was able to secure a W. So congrats on that for me. Got that retail dub. However, there were rumors. I don't know if this is true or not. Some people are saying that they were having inconsistencies with their payment during checkout, but I don't know if that's true or not. And also, they said that these shoes were sitting. I'm not aware of that either, but let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, if you do know anything about that. I didn't have any issues with my payment. Got in early, waited there. Like you said, you see that short right there? I was showing you I was waiting to get in, and 3 minutes in, then once the time or when I completed the little CAPTCHA, put in my credit card information, and was able to make a purchase with no issues, no problem. They did send me a confirmation email already. I'm just waiting for those to come in. As soon as those come in, we will have an unboxing for y'all. So stay tuned for that. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. So these are the shoes that came out from August 18th through the August 24th. Go ahead and start us off, my brother.
So on August the 20th, we did have that A Amaneer collab Air Jordan 3s while you were sleeping. Price point for those were $225. And just give a round of applause to Jordan Brand because all sizes did sell out according to Nike.com. So nice work there. All sizes did sell out.
Yes, sir. So moving on August the 21st, we did have a Jordan 4 RM without that Bike Air branding on the back. I guess because of that, all sizes are still available on Nike.com. You want to see these? I did get a size in hand, and you can check out that video right there. We did do an unboxing on that. Those were a very clean shoe, in my opinion. They were light bone and black, kind of like a panda, and they around the toe box they did have that gray, which was a nice hit. So you do have like 3 different colors. I do think that shoe you can almost match with anything. However, they are sitting, and for a price point of $150, I thought these would sell out. And I thought this would be the new wave to have these Jordan 4 lows, basically, aka the Jordan 4 RM remastered, but they are sitting on Nike.com. You still want those? Let us know in the comments were you able to copy a pair or not. Moving on, what we got next, my brother?
So on August the 23rd, we did have a shoe for the Babies, Air Jordan 3 toe. Price point for those were going for $150. And according to Nike.com, all sizes are available for the Babies. All sizes are available.
So moving on to the last shoe of the month and the hottest shoe because it did sell out. This was the Jordan 4 White Thunder, aka Pandas. So this did come at a price point of $215, and Nike did sell all these out. However, lately Nike has been playing games with us because they've been restocking these on Nike.com, and I don't know if these are like shock drops or whatever, but every time they do come out, supposedly they're rumored to sell out again. Some people are claiming that Nike's having these false sellouts, so I don't know if it's true or not, but let me know your opinions down in the comments. What do you think about this? That Nike keeps on restocking these shoes, keeping the resale prices low on the shoe. My size 10, is still going for $244, which with tax and everything at $215. I'll probably it's actually under retail because I think I'll be paying like $247 here in North Carolina. But let me know, did you copy a pair, sir?
Hey, if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.